Oslo, the capital of Norway, stands as one of the world's most advanced cities, known for its exceptional standard of living, strong economy, and deep connection to nature. Powered by oil revenues, renewable energy, and technology, Norway has built lasting national wealth, ensuring high incomes, free healthcare, and strong social security. Oslo's people are known for their openness, equality, and respect for work-life balance, creating a society where opportunity is widely shared. The city blends modern life with natural beauty, surrounded by forests and opening into the breathtaking Oslofjord, where islands and waterways shape daily life. Major attractions include the Opera House, Viking Ship Museum, Vigeland Park, and Akershus Fortress. Politically, Norway is a stable democracy, focused on sustainability, human rights, and global cooperation. Education is free and highly respected, producing skilled professionals and innovators. Universities and research centers attract global talent. Norwegian traditions emphasize simplicity, outdoor living, and seasonal celebrations. Food culture features salmon, cod, reindeer, brown cheese, and fresh bread, reflecting coastal and rural roots. Oslo has produced influential figures like Edvard Munch, Henrik Ibsen, and Gro Harlem Brundtland, shaping art, literature, and politics worldwide. Oslo, the capital of Norway, sits at the head of the Oslofjord, where forests, hills, and sea meet in rare harmony. Its geography shapes daily life, offering beaches, islands, and ski trails within minutes of the city center. Founded around the year 1000 by Viking king Harald Hardrada, Oslo grew from a trading port into a royal and cultural capital. The Viking legacy remains alive through museums, ship burials, and sagas that celebrate exploration and courage. Through fires, wars, and rebuilding, Oslo evolved into a modern, sustainable metropolis. In the 20th century, oil wealth fueled development, infrastructure, and global influence. Strong modern leadership has guided the city toward transparency, innovation, and environmental responsibility. Political stability and forward-thinking policies continue to strengthen public trust and social unity. Today, tourism thrives around landmarks like the Opera House, Akershus Fortress, and vibrant waterfront districts. Looking ahead, Oslo focuses on green transport, smart technology, and climate leadership. Urban expansion blends innovation with nature protection, preserving its unique identity. With deep roots in Viking history and visionary leadership, Oslo continues to shape a legacy of resilience, discovery, and progress.